Hiya, my name is Gary Gray. I'm with Veeam Software. I'm talking today with Stephan from our partner Quanta. We work together to help customers satisfy their backup and data replication and protection environment to offer them a simple and scalable solution. But I'm here today to really drill down a little bit on an individual product called the DXI product.
Correct.
What's that, Stephan? In essence, what is the DXI?
The DXI is a deduplication appliance, and depending on the customer environment, small, medium, large, we have different type of products. In fact, 3 products, virtual and 2 physical. It's going from 1 terabyte up to 1 petabyte of fusible disk.
So one version is just software?
One version is only software,
Okay,
which can boot directly on the VMware system.
And where would that sit? Just on a customer's
Ecosystem and
hypervisor?
using its own data store as the storage. And the DXI physical units, we provide node and physical disk with scalability, as you were outlining, up to 1 petabyte of usable storage. And we can imagine to have maybe a 15 to 1 reduction. That's almost 15 petabyte today on only 10U.
So you've got 3 different products. Clearly one differs because it's software. How do the 2 hardware products differ?
The hardware are just hardware and much more scalable. Okay, it's just a matter of scalability. However, as you mentioned, you outlined replication. All these products can interact together. You can have a virtual replicating to physical or physical to virtual. Very simple in that case.
And in terms of latency?
Latency, well, the interesting thing is that to comply to the Veeam software, we have developed with your R&D team the ability to run your Veeam data service mover directly inside the DXI, where competitors are more using a virtual or physical proxy outside of the box to enable that VDMS. We run it as close as possible to the data, allowing low latency access. Okay, so that will speed up the backup, but for sure that will speed up the recovery. So when customer do instant VM recovery, which they purchase the product for his recovery, we can boot 1 or more virtual machine very quickly from out of the box.
So when customers are concerned about their RTOs and their RPOs?
That's the perfect solution in terms of recovery. The other topic about RPO and RTO is also replication. You were outlining that word. We have a unique features compared to other people is that we are doing inline deduplication on the appliance, but at the same time we are deduplicating the data. If the blocks are new, we just replicate those to a remote site, to a disaster recovery site where we have another DXI.
So we're helping customers that perhaps previously have just used a backup and thought that was just good enough. Yeah. But now we want to make sure they've got a backup and replication environment.
To have that offsite copy as quick as possible. So to guarantee a high level of SLA, we do continuous replication. So if I can speak from a high level point of view, you could see our replication just like an asynchronous replication of 2 boxes. You start to backup, you create your VBK files. So unique blocks are replicated, compressed, encrypted to the remote site. And when the backup image is closed, we do a mini synchronous metadata update on the other side and the backup image appears. And the remote Veeam server just scans the appliance and discovers the image and can either boot the machine or push it to tape if required.
Sounds pretty complicated, but is it manageable? Is it easy?
It is really easy because out there, most of our competitors, you have to run manual disaster recovery operation to restore the local copies, to present them to the backup tool. Here, everything's done automatically. It's a real asynchronous replication. So the images are ready to be used on the other side, no manual action. So it's really easy.
So you can actually start to automate that. Yeah. And then start to automate it, I guess, with, coming from a Veeam perspective, do our management tools integrate, do we work together?
Yeah, it's completely automatic. The other Veeam proxy on the other side just scans the DXI and discover those replicated image. So quick and easy. So that's really what is nice about our solution.
And is the DXI, is it a mature product? Is it brand new off the shelf? Or?
No, DXI we're running right now on our 4th generation of the product. So it's a very mature solution. And we have 1,000 of them deployed out there on the market, and especially with the Veeam product. So I would say to conclude, yeah, it's a really mature solution. And from a customer perspective, when you deploy a DXI It's now in your drop-down box. In a few clicks, the DXI appliance is embedded with Veeam software. So you really see, I would say, just one global solution. So it's really easy to use.
And it sounds like a simple, elegant business continuity solution for well, a wide range of customers.
Exactly. The key word of that is performance during the backup, recovery, replication to guarantee high level of business continuity towards our customers.
Well, look, Steph, that's very helpful. That's helped me understand the DXI bit. So thanks very much for that.
Thank you, Gary.